Guess I'll fix my bed. Better. Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a office slash desk slash just workspace tour. Since I have started my own small business, I thought that I needed a location where I could just like package my orders, and when I'm not packaging, I could use that for like schoolwork, because obviously most classes for everyone are online now. So I just thought that I needed a designated like calming location for me to get everything that I need done in these next couple months. So yeah, I will try to leave a link down below for everything, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. This is what it looks like from the outside. It's just a little space in my closet. So when you move this, here's what an overview looks like. Okay, so I'll just start with this purse wall. I've seen lots of people having a purse wall on Pinterest, and I thought I wanted to create my own. The good thing about mine is that all of my bags, besides this one, which was made by a small business on Depop, but the rest of them are thrifted, and I really love that idea. So if you have not yet made a thrifted purse wall, I suggest you do so. And then we'll just go with the big backdrop. So this is a photo collage kit where I just put in the pictures myself, and yeah, I feel like the collage is super cute. I love the neutral tones. I didn't want to have too many colors in here, so it's still like super pretty and elegant, but it's very like airy and uplift. Also, these little plants, I got this one at Michael's, I think. It was just one big one, and I just cut it up into little pieces. And then this vine I got from Amazon a while ago, so I'll try to find it. So another big thing are these lights. I got these lights on Amazon. I wanted to make sure that I got white because again, I just wanted everything to be like very airy and like uplifting. Okay, next, another big thing is this desk. I got the desk on Amazon, and I also got this chair a really long time ago, so I'm not really sure where I got it, but yeah, it's just like a clear acrylic chair which has like a white seat and then like brown legs. And then this little thing down here, I probably got it from like the dollar store or something, and it's just like my little trash bin. And then that little X, I really don't know what it is. I've used it as a footrest, and yeah. Okay, and then for here I have this little like storage thing to put on my desk, followed by a keyboard, the little cord to make the keyboard connect to my iPad, and then a mouse, because it's just really easy to like do the stuff over here and package over here. And then yeah, I have this notebook that has like some of my business stuff. I have a candle that's for cleansing whenever I get too frustrated. I also just bought this 2020 planner, which is like very inclusive, and I literally love it so much. I am trying to find the time to fill it in before next week. And then also I have these lights, which are over there as well. They were supposed to be up there, but then they fell. So yeah, I will show you guys what they look like at the end. But to continue, in this first drawer I just keep all of my receipts, anything from like the post office or from Goodwill. And here is just a bunch of mess. I have my little butterfly patches, I have my fabric glue, I have my lavender essential oil. Okay, I have like 2 measuring tapes, have a lighter for the candle, have these like little dots that I put the pictures up with, I have scissors, I have gloves to package with. I just have a bunch of goodies, so we're just gonna close that. And down here is where I have all of my packaging stuff. I have stickers, I have my thank you cards. It says thank you for shopping sustainably. I put these together myself. I found this image on Google, and then I traced it to make it look like cuter. And then I'm actually so proud of the back. Look at it. It says, thank you for making my day. Your order was made with love and care in order to fully suit your happiness. And I literally love this. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I ordered these fonts on Etsy, and then I like added these little like splotches by myself. I love it. I love it. I also have my business card, and then on the back it has this. It kind of cut off my image too, which is a little bit upsetting, but I still love it. I also just made these like stickers. It says no wasting time, with like neutral toned collage as well. I thought that was super cute. And then back here I had a lot of extra like pictures that I didn't put up on my wall because I didn't have room. So then I just like cut them up. I like drew a little butterfly on them, and I just wanted to save paper by like adding that into packages. And then I have these little golden bags that are so cute. I put like jewelry in them or hair bands, just whatever the buyer gets. And then I also have this holographic sticker that I got from Amazon. It says, you've got great taste. Oh, okay. It says you've got great taste, and I add it to the outside of all my orders. And then also something new that I just got are these stamps. I want to start stamping these. Start stamping these onto my orders. And then I also have these super cute small ones. One is a butterfly and one is a flower. And I'm literally just so happy with them, and they were very inexpensive. So I will try and leave the link to where I got these down below. So that's all we have over here, but when we move, we'll start here. I have this little diffuser, so I put the lavender in. It also like turns on, but I don't have it plugged in right now. And then this I got from Goodwill, and this I got from Goodwill as well. And here I plan to cut out any like nice comments that people have ever given me, so that whenever I feel overwhelmed, I can just like grab from there. And yeah, and then this is just like a line drawing that I made a while ago, and I didn't want to get rid of it, but it doesn't really go anywhere, so it's just chilling right there. And then this is a pillowcase that I have like whenever I want to use my projector, which I got on Amazon. I take the pillowcase and I pin it up here, and then I can like just watch something while I'm packaging, and I just really love that. So over here I have this nonsense. These two white bins are from Amazon, and then this acrylic thing, I'm really not sure where I got it, but it's super cool. So I got this. It's my little scale that I have from Amazon. The number thing is right here. And then this is something that I got from Five Below. It's just like a bin, and I have a bunch of scraps so I can use them whenever I need to. And then here I have a bunch of pens and other goodies. And then here I have these little glass bottles that have like a cow on it. It says dairy, and I literally love them. So yeah, and then this one just keeps any of like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it keeps the like thumbtacks. And then over here I just have one of each of my packing things so that I can just save them for myself. Okay, and then over here are all my bags. I have small ones, I have huge ones, I have mini ones. And yeah, so let's go down to the bottom. Also, this rug is so soft, and I love the like the bright green color. It's from Amazon. I bought a lot from Amazon. Can you tell? Okay, I just bought these from where? Let's hear it. Amazon. These are a bunch of different like inks that I can use for the stamps, and it was like all of this for, I feel like it was between $8 and $12. Like there's so many shades, so many colors, and I thought it was worth it. This is the shipping label paper that I put into my printer. And then down here I have some of my accessories which I need to organize. It's like the hairbands, earrings, bracelets, sunglasses, necklaces, all of that jazz. Down here I just have extra of these bags. Over here I keep the Lysol wipes, and I also have a bunch of tape. And okay, so I think that's all, but I'm gonna put up the projector and like I turn on the lights, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Only works for YouTube, which is kind of very upsetting. So if you really want a projector, I would say to splurge on one, because a $50 or $60 one is not going to do you any good. Obviously I'm very grateful that I have this one, but I wish it would play more things. A whole different vibe, I told you guys. And the cool thing about these lights is that I can like make them white, so if I'm ever like working, oh, they're stuck. Not really, but it'll be like easier for me to get more light here. Or I can make them red, green, blue. I just like blue because it's like a vibey color. And then yeah, I don't always like watch my own videos, but I just wanted to put that on. And yeah. Okay, hopefully you can see me, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos, because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye!